BNT, makers of street lamps. We're going to be reviewing this lamp. All the information is provided online. Look for further detail. They have many products that may suit your needs. So what we're going to do is show you what you get inside the box, show you how to install it, and what it looks like in the evening hours. Let's get right to the opening of the box. Well packaged box in the box. You gotta love protecting your devices. In the box will be a nice sized pole, at least an inch to inch and a half diameter. The solar panel angle, the U-bolt to mount it to angle, the back bracket, hardware. They give you a crescent wrench type tool and Allen key. A remote control, the BNT street lamp, and the large 1.5 by 2.5 foot solar array panel. And let's not forget the instruction guides that helps you install everything. And what we're going to do is install the panel, turn it upside down. You're going to have this plate that's going to go on one particular way. You're going to take the mount, place it to the set nuts like so, and find the screws, nuts, and bolts that are required. Washer, Allen key, lock each one down into place. When all the bolts in, you could adjust it, center it, and lock down. Going to have a bolt and a washer, and you're going to place this on to a particular way, and a nut. Lock down. You have a wrench that you could tighten down. Make sure it's adjusted accordingly to your liking. All right, so what you're going to have to do here is you're going to set things up. You want to make sure you do it correctly, because if you do it incorrectly, what's going to happen is this is going to interfere. Like over here, it'd be too close. So if you're going up to the height like so, then you could put your panel forward. You could do it this way, and you could angle it just about the right way, and the panel would be in the back. And that's the way I want to do this. So what I want to go do now is, let me get this out of the way. I want to grab these small bolts. I want to go through a couple of the holes here. I want to go through the bottom and the center right here as I push it through. I want to grab a washer, and if you have enough, you could put a lock washer, and then you could put the actual nut. So there's a number of things you want to do correctly, and make sure you put everything on. So we're going to put one on, and then we're going to start to do our angle. You could do it upstairs on a pole. I'm going to do mine right about here, and going to lock it all down and get everything on there for you. You're going to take a nut and bolt and place it through. And you want to make sure you have the large washer that they give you. And a nut in the back. Now when I'm upstairs making my connections, I'm going to show you how to put the pole up. But here we're on the ground. You're going to slide everything through. Do your best to straighten out your lead. Slide it through. Over here there's a hole that you're going to feel for, and do your best to get the cable through. It's not that difficult, just takes a little time. Grab everything through and place on the head by opening up with the large Allen key. When everything's loose, all the bolts, even the bolt in the back, which is a safety bolt, and this slides on. Even the one back here, there are two of them. Slide down 100% and tighten everything up. Then all you need to do is connect your leads and your light is ready for installation. Now, 2 people, you can install this. 1 person, I'm going to take this down, put the pole up and mount it. It's not that hard to mount the pole, and we're going to show you what it looks like when it's all completed. You could take the pole just as is, do your best and safely. Get yourself some lag bolts, screws, wherever you're going to mount it. Remember, the hardest part is trying to get the snakes through, and then just basically start to tighten down your Allen keys. Put yourself some AAAs, they're not included. The remote control has an auto, an off and on, a 3, 5, 8 hour, a brightness level. And we're gonna just go underneath it. I'm gonna turn it on. It brightens up. We're gonna shut it off. And we'll come back when it's fully charged. Give it a couple of hours, a couple of days, and allow it to rejuvenate. And once it's rejuvenated, we'll see how it looks at nighttime. The lights just turned on within about 20 seconds ago. This is the solar lamp without motion sensor with 180,000 lumens. Long battery life to give you hours of runtime. 6 to 8 hours of charge, 12 hours of runtime. Now check further online for details. We're going to use the remote control and we're going to brighten up the lumens, 6,500 Kelvin, telling me I hit the maximum with the flashes. Now what I'm going to do is lower the brightness till it gets to the dimmest and it'll tell me that it's low. I'm going to simply go up increments. As you can see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 increments. Now we have the hours. We could put it on a timer, 3 different timers. Please forgive me if I can't see them. 3, 5, and 8. We have the automatic from dusk to dawn, and we have the on and off. So you can manually turn it on and off. The higher you put it, the longer and wider the radius of the throw. These are LED, and there are a number of lights in there. Please don't look into the light because they are very bright. If you're looking for just a light to light up your area, a warehouse, a building, your front, a driveway, a pathway, your shed, anywhere imaginable, maybe this product you're looking for may be right for you. So I hope you enjoy your solar street lamp. Thank you very much for viewing.